Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. I know it's been a long time. I'm gonna try to be frequent with cooking. So this is 12:34 and this is gonna be breakfast. So we're having beef sausages, potato, I don't even know what they're called, potato something, and we'll have some eggs. It's eggs. So I'm gonna clean and cut up these. Excuse the feet in the background and the licking sound because that's my dogs eating and the other two are playing. So we're gonna cut these up right now. Now while we're gonna cut up the potatoes that I just washed, I'm gonna put these in the microwave because they're frozen solid. Okay, potatoes are cut. In a small pan, I'm going to use olive oil and I'm going to fry up these potatoes, those ones. So my sausages are defrosted. They're nice and soft now. How do you do your sausages? Do you cut them in half and then fry them, or do you fry them like this? I like mine's cut in half, but my husband likes his as is. Now I just put one potato in there to see how hot the grease was. Well, the olive oil was. Now I'm going to put the rest of the potatoes. I can't do it with one hand, so that's what I'm going to do. So they're all in there in the olive oil. And now we're going to do the sausages. So I've got the potatoes in there, sausages in there, and yes, it's spitting, and yes, I'm getting burned. Such is life. Potatoes are done. Look at that. Golden brown. Oh, just put the sausages inside the olive oil. That's for a final dunk, so the sides to get crispy. And now let's do the eggs. There you have it. Sausages are resting. Well, everybody has their own preference of what they like to put in their season. So we're gonna have seasoned salt, a little bit of seasoned salt, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of paprika. Oop, I said a little bit, but measure with your heart. I got that off somebody off of YouTube. I like that. Just a little bit of turmeric. Just a little bit. Now you're just gonna mix it. There we go. Looks like I'm just putting the bill up at some time, but it's mixed in, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to do these eggs two different ways. We're going to scramble them in the pan for myself. I'm going to do another way for my husband that I saw on YouTube. And yeah, this way is very unique because you got to use mayonnaise and butter as our ingredient. And I'm going to be using the microwave for my husband's. They say it's supposed to be the best egg, so we'll see, but mine is just basic frying. So I'm gonna take 2 eggs and put into the bowl. I know I said 2. I forgot that I was doing it in that quick second, so I guess I gotta eat 3 eggs because it's in there. So I'm just gonna scramble them out. Now, I normally put seasons directly into the egg, but this time I'm going to put it in last. I'm going to get some milk and put it in here. And the milk I'm using is heavy cream. So I just put some heavy cream in here and I'm going to whip it. I normally will put a little bit of drops in here to see how hot the pan is. So now I'm just going to put everything in the pan. I'll let that fry up just a little bit. Now it's getting a little fry up from the sides, and I'm going to put in my seasons. So the seasoned salt, paprika, pepper. I love pepper, you guys, so don't mind me. And turmeric. Remember, this is for me, not my husband. So then break it up. I know you're not supposed to use this. I know you're not supposed to use this in a non-stick pan, but I do it anyways. So I'm gonna let that brown up a little bit because I like mine's brown. So let's go. Jump into my husband's. So being that I had 3, I'll give him 3, and then we're gonna put. Now the recipe I did saw he had 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of mayo. So I'm gonna use, because I got 3, I'm just use 2 tablespoons. He had used 1 because of 1 egg, but I'm going to continue to use just 1 teaspoon of butter. And then they say you have to whip this up until it gets fluffy. And he showed where you have to have air bubbles, like Emma's looking at air bubbles. He said the butter doesn't really get whipped up, but everything else does. So let's go put some milk in here. And I'm using heavy cream, which is in there. And he says whip it. Now I'm gonna put pepper and salt in my husband's, and that's all he likes. He only likes pepper and salt. It's not like me. I like a whole lot of seasons. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. And we're gonna put it on for a minute. We don't wanna overcook this. So let's see how it goes. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. That's for 1 minute, so I'm gonna put it in for another minute. Because you clearly see it's not ready. It practically popped up, you guys. It made me nervous. So let's see. The center looks like it's not done, so I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna put a napkin over it. That's what it should do. But it's puffing up. I'm afraid it's gonna poof. But let's see. I wonder if I should have put a hole in it. Cause look, it's getting over the plate. Can you not see that? put a hole in it, you guys, just in case that's a... Okay, so let me put it back in. So I popped a hole in it. Yeah, I guess that didn't make a difference, you guys. Still puff it up. But I want to make sure that it's got 5 minutes left. See what happens. Well, that's what it looks like. Let's take it out. It's hot. Yes, it's hot. So, that's what it looks like. So let's go plate our dish. I just pour out some orange juice. Here's the egg. Trying to flip it over. It's not working. And here's my egg. Now we can put our sausages. And then we're going to do our potatoes. So this is my husband's plate. And this is my plate. So this is the finishing touch. But let's see if my husband likes. It's the finishing touch for mine. Now let's go see if my husband approves. Remember, this is mine, and this is my husband's. So here I'm giving it to my husband for him to taste it.
I'll catch him.
How's the egg?
Seasoned. Very nice.
So you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you taste the difference between your egg and my egg? Try my egg.
Yours looks well done.
Well, you know me. It's gotta look as my skin color is.
Yeah, it is a difference. It's a little spicy too.
Okay. Well, the difference between your egg and my egg, I saw this thing on TikTok. It's made with egg, mayonnaise, and butter. You whip it together, put it in the microwave, and it's supposed to be the best egg ever. It's come from a chef who works in a hotel, and that's how he does his at his hotel. So I thought I'd try it because you worked at a hotel. So you said you liked it, so don't even get there. If you guys would have seen my husband's face, his looking like, how dare you? But then he liked it, so it doesn't make a difference. So I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe and like and make a comment below. How do you do your eggs, or would you try to do the egg? The ones I did, how I did my husband's egg. Would you try that? Yumma yumma. Have a great day, everybody.
Yeah, mercy.